Hi, friends. Welcome back. So, we are officially in that week in between Christmas and New Year's where everything kind of seems like it's on pause. It's kind of like that time warp week. And I want to share with you guys one of my newest favorite traditions that I've created for this week that makes it so that I'm not like super antsy to take down my Christmas tree and I can enjoy it a little bit more. But it also gives me the chance to kind of switch things up a little bit. For me, I love to decorate at the beginning of November. So we've been looking at Christmas decorations for nearly 2 months now. And so I start to get a little bit of that tick of like, I am ready for the Christmas decorations to come down. But since I've started this new little tradition, I don't do that anymore. So I want to share that with you guys. But before we talk about my Christmas tree suggestion for you guys, I do want to say one other thing that is a tradition for me for this week. I'm a businesswoman. I am an entrepreneur. I'm a goal setter. I am very ambitious. So I love setting goals. And this week, I love that it feels like a fresh start. So what I've done pretty much every single year for the last, and I'm looking at this 10 years, is I pull out this book called The Desire Map. I bought this book in 2015. So this book is 10 years old, and just about every year I've pulled this out to help me to create goals for the year. And this book, to me, if I could describe it in one line, would be something like goals with soul. So it's allowing you to create goals from a place of like, what do I want? How do I want to feel? How do I want my life to feel? That kind of thing versus like setting goals for like metrics or something along those lines. So I definitely suggest this book right here. And then I also am reading this week, rereading the book Atomic Habits. I love a good habit. Like I love creating new habits. I feel like I'm a constant project. Like I'm always trying to be better each year, each month, each day than I was before. And so creating better habits is obviously where it all starts. So I wanted to pull this book back out because there's a few habits that I've been wanting to implement or that I've tried to implement and haven't stuck to. So I'm rereading this book. But for now, let's talk about my Christmas tree hack. So I did take down all of the decorations on the tree. I took down all the ornaments, left the twinkle lights, and now I want to show you guys what I do to switch up my Christmas tree every year, and it makes it so magical. I don't quite remember where I got the idea for this. It's probably somewhere on Instagram or something, but every year for New Year's, I like to take off all of the ornaments and create a New Year's tree. It's become one of my favorite traditions. So for me, what I like to do is I will take a moment from the past year and I will create a picture frame ornament for that year. And usually I'll pick like the most memorable thing that we did that year, or like the big trip, or the big thing that's happening, like a wedding or the birth of a child or something along those lines. And I'll make a little frame and I'll put the year on the picture. So I love this idea because it brings back so many memories for us. In the last couple of years, I've decided to also add in some of our family Christmas photos from our Christmas cards into some frame ornaments so that we can commemorate those Christmas card photos as well. So I love this so much. And then I also love to add disco ball ornaments. I found a pack of disco ball ornaments and we just fill up the tree with disco balls and along with the picture frames, and it makes the cutest tree. So right now I just went to Walmart and had 1 hour photo print some of our prints for the frames for me. So I need to create a new frame for this year with our most memorable moment and with our Christmas card photo. So I'm going to do that quick and then we're going to start decorating the tree. It's super simple and easy and it just kind of like refreshes the space. So these are the frames that I bought. I got these last year and I thought they were just so cute and so perfect. They're really just for scrapbooking, so they're not the most sturdy things ever, but they are so pretty. And I love how each one has like a different shape. Oops. So they're all unique and fun, and they're really lightweight. So that's perfect for the tree, because these ones are from Hearth and Hand and they're very heavy. So they tend to like have to go on a large branch on the tree, whereas these ones can really just go anywhere. But I will make sure to leave you guys a link below for these cute little frames. And that's it for the New Year's tree for 2025. I can't believe it is already almost 2026. That is absolutely wild. I hope this video gave you a little bit of inspiration to not take down your Christmas tree just yet and to transform it into something fun that you can look forward to every single year. I'm wishing you all the happiest New Year. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.